Good morning, AI enthusiasts. I'm Babs, your host for today's AI News Roundup, bringing you the latest developments in the world of artificial intelligence. Stay tuned as we delve into the exciting advancements made by AI technology today. Our news for today includes Covariant announces a universal AI platform for robots, IEEE Spectrum. Recruiting AI talent is ruthless right now. Business Insider, AI-generated recipes won't get you to Flavortown, The Verge, and Secretaries of State worry about AI impersonating them. POLITICO. Let's jump into the headlines. Robotics startup Covariant is announcing RFM-1, a robotics foundation model that gives robots the human-like ability to reason. The model can be trained on more data to expand its capabilities, and it currently focuses on suction-based object manipulation in warehouse environments. RFM-1 operates as a simulation tool, generating realistic and accurate predictions based on its learned physics engine. The goal is to collect data from a wider variety of robots and tasks to power billions of robots worldwide. Covariant's pitch to other robotics companies is that using their model, which incorporates their extensive manipulation data, will result in better performance than training individual models. The long-term vision is to build a universal AI platform for robots. Recruiting AI talent is becoming increasingly difficult, with companies struggling to attract workers with AI skills. The CEO of an AI startup shared his experience of trying to hire a senior researcher from Meta, who demanded 10,000 H100 GPUs, which would cost billions and take years to obtain. Limited funds and a chip shortage have made it tough for smaller firms like Perplexity to find the talent needed to create large language models. Even if they can get NVIDIA's chips, they may still fall behind due to the rapid speed of AI development at major tech companies. Interest in AI skills has surged since OpenAI launched ChatGPT, with companies offering high salaries to attract talent. However, the CEO believes that post-training expertise, such as addressing issues in serving AI products, is crucial for making AI tools useful, and that non-tech industries can quickly learn these skills to stand out in the sector dominated by big tech. Last year, the author baked cakes from recipes generated by AI, finding them eerily familiar to recipes from food blogs. Recipe similarities and alleged copying are touchy subjects in the food world, but there is little legal recourse for food creators. Large language models can quickly generate recipes, but they don't guarantee if they will work. The human connection and cultural nostalgic connections to food are advantages that recipe creators have over AI. The author emphasizes the importance of personal connection and passion in recipes, as AI-generated recipes can be dispassionate and generic. Election officials are concerned about the potential use of AI-generated deepfakes to spread misinformation and deceive the public leading up to the November election. The officials, who are already battling misinformation and public distrust, fear that their obscurity and trusted status make them vulnerable targets. They are incorporating AI scenarios into their trainings and communication plans with voters, and are preparing for AI-driven attacks by emphasizing quick responses to misinformation and public education campaigns. Simple solutions such as using .gov websites and email addresses are being implemented to prove authenticity. The tight-knit election community and relationships built over the years will also play a crucial role in detecting and countering deepfakes. The goal is to give election workers a healthy level of skepticism and encourage them to double-check any unusual directives they receive. Despite the challenges, election officials remain determined to protect the democratic process and maintain public trust. Thanks for tuning in to today's AI News Roundup. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for all your daily AI updates. And if you want to catch up on any news you missed, check out one of the other videos on the screen. And as always, keep your circuits charged and your algorithms optimized. See you next time.